Before we dive into today's video, I would love to give what all we are going through in this video. We will see the 5 best faceless YouTube channels with more profits. We will explore the benefits of having a faceless channel. And finally, I will share with you my experience on how I create my YouTube videos. I am going to share in which app I edit the videos. How do I get the ideas for videos? How do I write the script and everything related to this video I am going to share today. So without wasting time, let's get started. YouTube has 115 million plus channels, but in that only 2% channels are successful. Well, in that 2%, the faceless channels are in majority. Faceless channel provides you benefits of privacy. You can touch every topic in it, and your identity will be safe. It makes the video engaging by different clips. So many of them choose going faceless. Well, if you are watching this video, it means you are a faceless YouTuber. I don't know in which stage you are in, but if you are a beginner, then the next few minutes will definitely help you. Let's see some 5 faceless YouTube channel ideas which have more searches and also have more income. Finance and investing, technology and gadgets, educational videos, movie and series reviews, business and entrepreneurship. Well, these are the 5 channels you can go through if you have not yet started. Trust me, these have the best searching results with more profits. Now coming to the main point, how do I make my videos? Very simple. You might have heard about the vidIQ app, which is the extension of Chrome and also YouTube certified. If you don't know how to use it, then don't worry, I will make a detailed video on it. So I will get some ideas about the topics related to my channel in this app. Some ideas I will get through the vidIQ app and some of the topics I think of myself. After getting a strong topic next, I will go for a thumbnail related to that topic. I will have some pictures related to that topic. I will search that word in Google and get some pics, and will edit that as my wish, and will try to make it creative as much as possible. After the thumbnail is ready, if I get okay with that, I will go for the script. If I don't get the best thumbnail for that topic, simply, I will drop that topic for some days because you know that thumbnail is the first impression for the video, and if you don't do it well, then the chances of growth comes down. After getting a good thumbnail, next, I will go for a script. Most of the time, I will write my own script, but sometimes I take the help of ChatGPT for some paragraphs. If you guys don't know about ChatGPT, then check my recent video. I have explained everything about this website. You can actually get good scripts and unique title ideas in this website. Check the description below, I have attached the link of this video. Next, after getting script ready, I will go for a text-to-voice conversation. The website I use for this purpose is 11 Labs website. I have been using it for 2 months, and it is giving me the best results. I will copy my script and simply paste it in 11 Labs website for voice conversion. After I get the audio ready for my video, then I will go for the last part, which is editing. Basically, it takes more time doing all these processes, especially editing and thumbnails. I personally use the CapCut application for editing purposes. Before I was using a different app, but now I use CapCut for editing my videos. It takes time for editing in the CapCut, but this application has many features which I loved. After the editing is completed, I extract the video and simply upload it to YouTube. I am thinking of many changes, but it will be done slowly as the channel progresses. So this is the process which I follow. It looks simple while explaining, but it takes time for all these processes. Minimum I take some 3 to 4 hours for a video. Sometimes if it's a very long video, then I take some 5 to 6 hours. It all depends on the topic of the video. So I have shared my personal experience on which all applications and tools I use for my videos. If you guys are yet to start faceless YouTube channels, then you can try these above mentioned tools. And future creators and present creators, if you found the video helpful, then please do subscribe the channel and support. Until then, I will meet you in the next video.